Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of DAVCarve L1. In this session, I will give you an overview of the Lightburn software interface. Next, I will break it down into 5 parts: the menu bar, design toolbar, canvas size, control window, and cut palette. Menu bar, which includes options like file, edit, tool, arrange, window, and more. Clicking on file and selecting open or import, you can open the file directly. It's important to note the difference between open and import. Open replaces the current file with a new one, while import adds a new file to the current file, allowing both files to be on the same canvas. Moving down to the gray bar, it's a shape properties. Select the graphic, you will see its position on the XY axis, as well as height, width, and proportions. If we use edit text, we can adjust its font style, height, spacing, and so on. The above is an introduction to the upper area of the software interface. Next, let's explore the left-hand side, the design toolbar. Lightburn not only controls our laser cutting machine, but also allows us to create various shapes like line, rectangle, ellipse, regular polygon, and more. The arrow serves as the selection key, allowing you to choose graphics with up and down selections. This button is a positioning tool. If our device meets the conditions, clicking it will control the module's position. The following tool icons include functions like offset shapes, boolean, create an array of the selected objects, create a circular array of the selected objects, etc. We won't delve into each of them in detail for now. Now let's introduce the canvas size in the middle. Our canvas size is 500 by 400 mm, determined by the added device DAVCarve L1. On the right is the control window and tabs, including cuts, layers, camera control, move, and console, all used to control the laser cutting machine. Let's start with the top right. Cuts layers. Set the black border of the tiger to line, and the tiger line to blue. Create a new layer and set it to fill. This way you can distinguish between line cutting and fill printing. In addition, double-click and you can adjust the layer parameters such as speed and power. Camera control. This function is applicable when a camera is connected to the machine. After connecting, select the camera. Capture an image, focus, and position it in the file. Movement. Adjust the distance and position the laser module by moving it forward, backward, left, and right until it reaches the desired location. Console. Relevant operation commands will appear in the console for clear visibility during operations. These functions can all be found in the window interface. At the bottom right, you'll find the control options for actions like start, stop, frame, home, etc. Direct control and device connection can be operated here. Note, after moving laser module left or right to your designated position, it's crucial to focus. Different material thicknesses result in varying z-axis heights, but the laser focal distance is fixed, so we have to adjust focus to ensure that the distance between the laser module and material remain the same. At the very bottom is the color layer distribution. For example, if you draw 2 rectangles, the inside aims for filling and outside for cutting. They should have different parameters, but after drawing, the layer will only have one. If we set the parameters for this layer, the parameter processing mode of these two will be the same. To differentiate, you can use Colors panel, change the inside to blue, and a new blue layer will be added in the layer panel. Adjust its parameters to achieve the desired effect. There's one important detail. When laser printing, it's best to place the filled layer at the top. Print the fill first, and then cut. This concludes the overall introduction to the Lightburn software interface. Hopes it helped you. See you next time.